Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create EC2 instance in AWS account. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So first we have to go to any browser to create a EC2 instance in AWS account. So aws.console.com you can log in. So if you search for AWS Amazon, the first website AWS Web Services you have to open. And once we click on it, it will go to the AWS dashboard, and you can see here if you have the account, it will show you can log into the sign into the console. If you don't have, create free account. Please check my previous video how to create AWS account free, and you can create an account. Now I'm going to create EC2 instance, so I'm logging to the AWS account. So once I click here, it will go to the login page. So here I have to provide the root user mail ID. I'm going to provide my mail ID which is already created. So I'm going to click on credentials I'm going to provide of my AWS account. So once we log into the AWS account, this is the AWS dashboard. You can see the all the services here. There are multiple services of AWS. If you recently visited, it will show here. Otherwise, you can search for EC2 instance here. So once we go to the EC2 dashboard, here it will show the instances, whatever the instance running or instances created. So this is my account, and I have selected my region as a Mumbai region. So you can select the any region. So if you have any doubt regarding regions, you can comment in the video. So I will do the video on regions in the next session. So I'm clicking on instances. Here instance running is nothing is there. So I don't have any running instance as of now. But I have the instance which is already terminated previously. So it is not working now because I have already deleted the instance. Now I'm going to launch instance by clicking launch instance, and I'm going to number of instances will be 1, and I'm going to provide the name of the instance as a whatever the name we required. So I'm going to provide demo EC2, and here I'm going to select AMI. So AMI is nothing but Amazon Machine Image Operating System. So you can click on whatever the Amazon Machine Image you want to, you can select that. Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Red Hat, whatever you want, the particular operating system you can select it. Once we select, then you can go for the further steps. So I'm selecting the OS as a Red Hat. So Red Hat I have selected, and I'm going to choose whatever the configurations I need. Free tier eligible, I'm going to select this one. And so once I have selected, next here it can see Amazon Machine ID is we can see, and I'm going to select that instance type, that is T2.micro. So there are multiple instance types you can see, but I'm selecting the T2.micro. If you go for the medium and large, it will be chargeable. Free tier eligible is small and micro, so I am selecting the micro. So once I click on it, I'll go further in the further steps of creating EC2 instance. So that is key pair. So if you want to create any EC2 instance, you have to create a key pair. So I'm clicking on create key pair and going it. So create a new .pem file. It should be .pem to log in as OpenSH. If you are using PuTTY, then you can use PPK file with the RSA encrypted file. Create key pair. So I have created demo as a new new key. So without this key we cannot log in. So please be download it and keep it in the local folders. So now key pair is created. Now going to network settings. So in network settings, we are going to VPC is already it is there, and by VPC and subnets are by default it will be available. If you want, you can create a new one. So here security groups, I am going to create a new security groups by providing the some of the traffic allowances. So if you want, you can select the existing, that is the default one will be there, but I am creating a new security group. So allow SH traffic. So this one is mandatory while creating EC2 instance. Without SH access, we cannot log into the EC2 instance. So I'm allowing the HTTPS and HTTP as well, and I'm creating a security group. And next is configure storage. So configure storage is nothing but storage, how much storage we need, EBS volume. So I'm selecting the 20 GB, up to 30 GB we have free tier eligible. And these are advanced settings, you can keep it as it is, no need to change anything. This one also you can keep it as it is. And next you can review the summary of all the details whatever we have provided. So I have a number of instances 1 and AMI I have selected Red Hat, and other details I have whatever we have provided. We can see here Red Hat T2.micro and new security group I have created. These are the details, we can check it, and we can click on launch instance. So once we click on launch instance, within few seconds it will create a new instance in the particular region which we have selected, Mumbai region. So I'm going to open this one. It is there. We have to refresh. Once we refresh, it will be there in the instances, under instances. See, it is there, but status is still in pending, not yet available. So you can check all the details whatever we have given. All the key name is demo and the timing is whatever the time we have created. So now refresh it, it will be available. Yeah, running. So now the instance is available and running. You can see all the details like public IP address and private IP address, everything is there. So all the details you can see here along with security and networking. Now I'm going to connect this EC2 instance. So connect is nothing but logging to the EC2 instance by using DNS or IP address. So here we can go and click on SH client. So here there are steps they have given for your guidance. You can go. So click on copy that particular example command sh-i and pem file name and then username at the rate DNS name. So you can go to the any command prompt. In the Windows you can go to command prompt, otherwise if you have git bash or anything you can log in. So this is the command you can use it. So sh-i pem file name username at the rate DNS. So it will ask for the confirmation, click type yes. So now we have logged into the EC2 instance as a EC2 user. If you want root user, that is admin, you can sudo su hyphen. This is the command for the login as a root user. So that's it. This is how you can create a EC2 instance. Now I am stopping the instances to avoid the charges. And if you want to terminate, you can terminate it. It will delete the EC2 instance permanently. This is how we can create a EC2 instance in AWS account for the first time, or you can create multiple EC2 instances as well. If you have any doubts regarding this EC2 instance creation, please comment in the comment section, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel for more AWS and DevOps videos. Thank you.